Update. Some cancellations are starting. Right now, according to what the WWNY says, there is 10 closings and cancellations. We're supposed to get 1 to 2 feet. Tug Hill is supposed to get 3 to 4 feet. So, it's supposed to start sometime tomorrow. The effect doesn't kick in until 7. Will I be going out? Yes, and I have to. Do I want to? No. A friend of mine who's a weather meteorologist, he told me that we were going to get nailed by snow. And he threw away the one that we are getting right now. Thank God, yeah, a snowblower. They're saying that we might lose power. Got that covered. Got a generator. It's a piece of shit. All I can say is, Mother Nature, please give it up. According to what they're saying, after this one, there is... Hold on. And we might be getting thunderstorms with this before the snow starts. So that'll be kind of cool. Oh, darn. Okay. Ooh, thunderstorms on the way as we speak. Would this be dashing through the white stuff or dashing through the blizzard? Tonight, rain and wind. Tomorrow, 100% chance of snow. Friday, snow. And fucking cold. Then, on Monday, on March 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th, rain. Then turns back into snow for 2 days. Then gets colder again with more snow. Look at this. I mean, look at this. We're right here. This is what we're dealing with right now. We gotta deal with all this crap. Yuck. I guess this is Mother Nature's way of saying, I'm sorry that you're late with your snow. Here it is. Oh, wait. We got some rain, too. Chances of school closings tomorrow, 100%. They've put a message on, I don't know if it's still there, down near Platt Sky and down that way, they have, they're like crossing arms where they can close off 81. They've already closed those.